300 IELTS synonyms. Number 1. Important means crucial, vital, essential, significant. Number 2. Increase means rise, grow, expand, escalate. Number 3. Decrease means reduce, decline, diminish, lessen. Number 4. Improve means enhance, boost, refine, upgrade. Number 5. Big means huge, massive, enormous, immense. Number 6. Small means tiny, miniature, petite, slight. Number 7. Rich, wealthy, affluent, prosperous, well off. Number 8. Poor means needy, impoverished, destitute, penniless. Number 9. Easy means simple, effortless, straightforward, uncomplicated. Number 10. Difficult means hard, challenging, demanding, arduous. Number 11. Fast means quick, rapid, swift, and speedy. Number 12. Slow means sluggish, gradual, leisurely, unhurried. Number 13. Happy means joyful, cheerful, content, delighted. Number 14 means sad, miserable, gloomy, downcast, depressed. Number 15. Interesting means fascinating, engaging, captivating, intriguing. Number 16. Boring means dull, tedious, monotonous, uninspiring. Number 17. Beautiful means gorgeous, stunning, attractive, lovely. Number 18. Ugly means unattractive, hideous, unsightly, plain. Number 19. Strong, powerful, sturdy, robust, resilient. Number 20. Weak means fragile, feeble, frail, delicate. Number 21. Begin means start, commence, initiate, launch. Number 22 means end. There is end means finish, conclude, terminate, cease. English is easy with me. Make sure you subscribe so that you keep on taking such words like this to upgrade your EIELTS. Alright. Number 23. Old, ancient, hereditary, aged, antiquated. Number 24. Young means youthful, juvenile, adolescence, fresh. Number 25. Modern means contemporary, currently, up to date, new. Number 26. Tradition means conventional, customary, classic, time honored. Number 27. Cheap means inexpensive, low cost, affordable, budget. Number 28. Expensive means costly, pricey, high priced, overpriced. Number 29. Safe means secure, protected, harmless, risk-free. Number 30. Dangerous means hazardous, risky, perilous, unsafe. Number 31. Famous means well-known, renowned, notable, celebrated. Number 32. Unknown means obscure, unfamiliar, anonymous, nameless. Number 33. Common, usual, frequent, scarce, exceptional. Number 33. Common, usual, frequent, ordinary, widespread. Number 34. Rare means unusual, infrequent, scarce, exceptional. Alright. Number 35. Helpful, supportive, useful, cooperative, beneficial. Number 36. Harmful means damaging, dangerous, injurious, detrimental. Number 37. Clean means netting, tidy, spotless, hygienic. Number 38. Dirty means polluted, mess, contaminated, filthy. Number 39. Polite means courteous, respectful, well-mannered, civil. Number 40. Lewd, impolite means polite, mannered, disrespectful, abrupt. Thank you for giving us your time. Make sure you subscribe to keep us motivated to give you more updates like this. English is easy with us. Make sure you subscribe so that you join our community. Let's build a community. Let's make 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you. We love you so much.